10, 9, 8. The numbers flash across 1,000 screens, stark white on black. A low hum vibrates through the concrete floors, a deep thrum of power waiting to be unleashed. 7, 6. In control rooms deep underground, technicians watch their monitors, faces lit by code. No one speaks. Every action is pre-programmed, every sequence timed to the millisecond. 5, 4. Suddenly a glitch, a flicker. For a split second, a metallic city appears. Impossible geometry under a twilight sky, then it's gone. The countdown resumes, but the image lingers. The hum intensifies. Circuits come alive. The city wakes. 3, 2. The final seconds stretch. Visuals flash. A spinning propeller, a glowing circuit board, a satellite image of a barren landscape now transformed. These are fragments of a colossal secret. Pieces of a puzzle revealing ambition on an unimaginable scale. The world outside sleeps, unaware of the giant about to open its eyes. 1. The screen goes black. Silence. Then a single piercing beep. A wave of light rushes through the city. Fiber optic cables, empty hangars, robotic arms, sterile labs. The city is online. From above, it's a circuit board flaring to life in the middle of nowhere. The day begins in the city that makes the sky its own, the city of drones. Deep within the arid plains, it rises from the dust, Sector 734. To the few who've seen it, it's the hive. This isn't a city for people, no parks, no schools, no markets, just a monument to singular focus, built in silence, hidden by sandstorms and restricted airspace. It's a testament to China's power to reshape its landscape. Towers of black steel and glass pierce the sky, connected by sky bridges humming with magnetic pods. Streets are for autonomous vehicles, not people. Every structure, every road, every conduit is optimized for the flow of materials and data. The human element is secondary in this automated ecosystem. Sector 734 is the global epicenter of drone manufacturing, a vertically integrated hub with no parallel. From raw materials to finished drones, every stage is contained within fortified walls. Here, the future of unmanned aerial vehicles is forged, from consumer quadcopters to military platforms. The city is a self-contained world, a factory the size of a metropolis. The world sees the drones, but not the hidden city quietly shaping the skies of tomorrow. Sector 734 is a marvel of industrial logic, laid out in concentric rings. The outer ring handles logistics. Automated cranes unload rare earths and composites into subterranean depots, all tracked by a central AI. The next ring houses component factories, motors, sensors, airframes, each facility specializing in a single part of flight. The air buzzes with robotic arms and precision machinery. The third ring is the heart assembly and testing zones. Here, robots and technicians work in harmony, assembling drones in spotless halls. Beyond, vast testing fields simulate urban canyons, forests and plains. Drones buzz day and night, undergoing rigorous trials. At the core stands the R&D tower, the city's brain. China's brightest engineers and scientists push drone technology forward. AI, new materials, next-gen designs. This tower is a fortress of innovation, drawing the blueprints for China's drone dominance. Every layer is secure, every process optimized. The city is a machine, engineered for secrecy and supremacy. Inside the assembly halls, man and machine move in a mesmerizing dance. Robotic arms glide with inhuman precision, placing transistors, welding frames, applying coatings. The air is filled with the soft whir of automation. Human technicians, clad in clean suits, oversee the process, calibrating, checking, ensuring perfection. They're the guardians of quality, making minute adjustments where only a human touch will do. Raw components enter one end at each station. Complexity is layered on. Motors, processors, sensors all assembled in a seamless flow. At the end, a completed drone is powered on, its lights blinking to life. It spins its propellers, passes automated diagnostics, and receives a unique serial number. Only after passing every test is it sent to the testing fields for its maiden flight. From parts to flight-ready drone, the journey takes just hours. Thousands of these journeys happen daily. This is the Ballet of Sector 734. The world feels the impact of Sector 734, even if it doesn't know its name. Headlines flash. China's drone exports surge, dominating the global market. Consumer drones fill shelves worldwide, tracing their lineage back to this hidden city. But the influence runs deeper. Agricultural drones revolutionize farming, integrating entire industries into China's tech sphere. Law enforcement agencies worldwide adopt Chinese drones, raising questions about privacy and surveillance. Data from these drones often flows through Chinese servers, creating a vast web of global surveillance. The most secretive work happens deep inside military drones with stealth and autonomy, designed to overwhelm defenses. Commercial and industrial drones are just the visible tip of the iceberg. The real strategy is control of the skies, of data, of the future. Sector 734 is not just a factory, it's the engine of a new kind of power. China's dominance is by design, civilian and military, visible and hidden. The city is home to a new class of Chinese citizen, elite engineers recruited from top universities, driven by patriotism and ambition. They design the algorithms, hardware and systems that power the drone empire, living in high-tech dorms, lives dedicated to innovation. Overseeing them are party officials and military planners, the shadowy strategists linking the city's output to China's grand ambitions. They decide what to build, where to sell, and how to leverage the city's capabilities for geopolitical gain. On the factory floors, operators from provincial towns work in shifts, their individuality subsumed by the demands of the line. For them, the city is stable employment and a chance to be part of China's modernization. Three groups, engineers, officials, workers, form the human software of Sector 734. Each is essential, yet separate, all cogs in a machine of immense scale. Together, they build more than drones. They build a new form of centralized, secretive technological power. This is the workforce behind the world's most ambitious drone city. Sector 734's secrecy is legendary, visible only in fragments. Satellite images reveal geometric anomalies quickly scrubbed from public view. Intelligence agencies piece together glimpses, blueprints, and intercepted data trying to grasp the city's scale. Leaked schematics show revolutionary batteries, jam-proof links, and swarm logic years ahead of rivals. Unmarked cargo planes depart from remote airfields, their destinations masked, their origins hidden. The logistical shell game creates the illusion of a decentralized supply chain, but all lines point back to one source. Every drone runs on proprietary firmware updated from Chinese servers, a permanent digital tether. This creates a global network, monitored and controlled from the city's core. The physical drones are scattered worldwide, but their digital souls report home. Sector 734 is the unseen empire behind the world's drones. Sector 734 embodies China's dual circulation strategy, serving both domestic and global markets. Commercial drones are everywhere in filmmaking, real estate, recreation. This ubiquity generates revenue and normalizes Chinese tech worldwide, paving the way for strategic uses. The same factories build drones for the military, switching from civilian to military production with ease. Commercial scale drives down costs for military hardware, subsidizing the PLA's modernization. The technology is inherently dual use. A crop sprayer can become a surveillance tool, a power line inspector, a border sentinel. This blurs the line between civilian and military, creating a gray zone China exploits with precision. Drones are sold to countries under embargo, expanding China's influence under the guise of commerce. Nations become dependent on Chinese tech for infrastructure and security, even as they face its military threat. Sector 734 builds not just drones, but leverage a web of technological dependency. It's a subtle tool of statecraft, rewarding friends and punishing adversaries with a flick of a switch. As night falls, Sector 734 pulses with light. The city never sleeps. It's more than a factory, it's the heart of a hidden tech empire. Power here is built not on territory, but on control of foundational technologies. From Ukraine's battlefields to Kenya's farms, the city's drones are everywhere, tools of commerce, science, and war. Each drone is a node in a global network, a sensor, a testament to the city's manufacturing might. The world depends on products from a place it doesn't know exists. China's strategy is patient and methodical: dominate the supply chain, control the software, leverage scale. Sector 734 is the ultimate expression, a fortress of innovation, projecting power silently into every nation's skies. It's a circuit board of immense complexity, a hidden empire building the future in its own image. The world may not see it, but it feels its effects every day. In the buzz of a drone, in the shifting balance of power, the city's silent pulses everywhere. This is the sound of a new era born in secrecy, powered by ambition, determined to own the sky.